Orange Cheesecake. I recently tried out this cheesecake and it turned out to be so delicious and yummy. And for that, I took some digestive biscuit, crushed them, added some melted butter and mixed them. So it becomes a dough-like substance. In a pie dish, we will set it and make the first layer. And then refrigerate it for 30 minutes. In the meantime, I took some cream cheese and gave it a good whisk. Then added some sugar, whipped cream, and then just combined them together. Then I added some vanilla essence to give it a flavor. Now I added my second layer of the cream cheese and then evenly spread it out. So this is actually no bake, so you just have to refrigerate it for 2 hours and then it's good to go. Then you can just decorate it with your favorite toppings. I have taken some orange and these are Mandarin Orange. So I had cut them and just look at this beautiful color. But I loved my decoration. It turned out to be so beautiful and I could not stop taking pictures of it. And it was also very tasty. So you can also try it out and do let me know in the comments if you like this. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to see more such videos. Also, you can enhance the taste by adding some orange puree, which made the taste more tastier.